Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to look at the Alliance Girls High School mock 2022 examination, whereby we're going to look at a loci question. The question is in number 5. So we are told that given the rectangle ABC below, locate and shade a region within the rectangle in which a variable P must lie, given that P satisfies the following conditions. So we have a number of conditions here to be satisfied by the point P. A, B, C, D is our rectangle. So we want to construct the locus of a point P such that AP is either equal to or greater than BP. So AP, P is somewhere such that AP is either equal to BP or greater than. So which means we are going to bisect line AB perpendicularly. So when we bisect this line, we're going to stand at A, we make arcs here, and standing at the other side of the line, we cut those arcs, so that now when we produce a line, remember we've been told greater than or equal to. Because of the greater than or equal to, we should have the line complete, because it can either be equal to. So this is a locus of P, but now we want AP from A to P to be greater than from B to P. Therefore, it means we shade this side so that if this is our P, if this is the locus of P now, from A to P, P should be on this side, so that from A to P we have it being greater. If we let P to be on this side, from A to P it will be lesser than from B to P. And now we will not be satisfying the condition. The condition number 2, we are told that angle APB to be equal to or greater than, equal to or less than 90. Equal to or less than 90. So AP is somewhere, B to be equal to 90. So for a chord to project 90, then it should do so on a circle, and the chord should serve as a diameter. Therefore, we're going to stand at this central part of our line AB, and we draw a semicircle using the radius PA and PB, such that now, because AB is serving as a diameter to this semicircle, then anywhere on the semicircle, AB will produce 90 degrees. And again, we need the angle of 90 to either be equal to or less than. So if the chord AB subtends an angle on the inner side of this semicircle, that angle will be greater than 90. Therefore, for the angle to be less than 90 or equal to, it should be on the outer side, either on the semicircle or on the outer side. So the inner side is not required in this in this semicircle. So P can be anywhere outside the circle. P again can be anywhere to the right hand side of this line. Then we are told P is closer to DC than BC. So when we talk of DC and BC, then we need a perpendicular of we need a bisector of the angle between those two lines, so that we may know the point we are talking about. So we stand at C, we make an arc. Stand at C, we make an arc, another arc. Then standing on those arcs, we make other arcs. We make other arcs. So we stand again here, we cut this arc. Then now we produce a bisector to this angle. A bisector to this angle. Now remember, anywhere along this line, DC is the same as BC. But now we want DC to be closer to P. We want the DC to be closer to P than BC. So which means to be closer, then we need this side where P is closer to DC than to BC. So P can be anywhere on the upper side of that line. Then finally, we want AP to be strictly greater than 7. Strictly greater than 7. So P should be somewhere such that from A we need a radius of 7 centimeters. But now it has to be a dotted. It has to be a dotted circle. It has to be a dotted circle because it is strictly greater than. Strictly greater than. So we use a dotted circle. A dotted circle of radius 7 centimeters. Therefore, with our dotted circle now, radius 7 centimeters, and we want P to be strictly greater. Now, P to be strictly greater, then it means we don't need the inner side, whereby AP is less than. So we need the outer side, where AP will be greater than 7, and P will be lying somewhere there. So P inside the rectangle, we are told to locate and shade a region within the rectangle. So within the rectangle, then this is a dotted circle. We have this line, this side is not required. We have this line, this side is not required. So the region definitely is going to be here. This is going to be our P. You can shade it using some stars. So this is our P. Our P will lie anywhere within that region.